This fully automated bagging system efficiently packages granular, lump, flake, and bar-shaped solid materials at speeds of 30 to 60 bags per minute. The system seamlessly integrates a Z-type elevator, multi-head weigher, and horizontal form-fill-seal machine. Material is elevated and precisely weighed before being dispensed into pre-made bags. The process includes bag opening via vacuum suction cups, vibration-assisted filling to prevent clogging, coating, heat sealing, and final product output. Driven by servo motors, this system ensures consistent accuracy and high throughput, maximizing your production efficiency.